Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out, the cheapest Traxxas Slash project. Now if you're not familiar with this project, this right here started out as the cheapest Traxxas Slash model that you can buy. And I basically turned it into the brushless machine that it is today. So if you want to watch the series, I'm going to put a card in the corner so then you can watch the series all the way from when I first unboxed this to basically building it into the brushless machine it is today. But for all of you that are familiar with it, you know what I'm running. I'm running a brushless VXL setup. I did switch my Traxxas Slash 4x4 Ultimate wheels and tires onto this because I blew out one of my Badlands a few times ago when I was running it. So I'm still deciding on some new wheels and tires for that. But I was just driving past on the interstate and I saw this awesome looking rock mounds or rock piles. And I thought, why not stop with the cheapest Traxxas Slash project and run it around on some of these rock piles. So that's what I'm doing, guys. So this should be a heck of a lot of fun. Let me go ahead and get it hooked up. We're gonna jump right in this video. All right, guys, I got it all hooked up. I am running 3S, of course. And let's go ahead and get started bashing. And here we go. I think there might be something wrong with my controller. I think what happened was the last time I had it out, I had it in the sand. I dropped my controller in the sand. I think what's happening is when I press the throttle, it's not going completely back to the neutral position. So I have to just push it forward just a little bit. I think sand got up in here and I've been trying to shake it out. I think it's kind of gotten my controller stuck. So once I press it, the thing kind of keeps on going unless I push it forward just a little bit. So no big deal, we can keep on going. I kind of want to avoid some of this water and mud. I don't want to put that in the vehicle, but let's go ahead and get started bashing, guys. Ooh. Ooh, we're stuck. Yep, I gotta go up there and grab it. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Whoa! By the way, if you guys are liking the cheapest Traxxas Slash project, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos, so if you could just take one quick second and leave this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. There you go, there's the trigger, it's in the neutral position. Right there's the neutral position, but the thing kept on going. But let's keep on going. I don't know if I'm supposed to be here, probably not, but I don't see anybody working here, so I thought, why not? If they come and tell me to leave, then I'll leave. Whoa! 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 This thing can take a beating, guys. Whoa! Upright. Oh! Smashed it right into some of these bigger rocks right here. Whoa! Tumbled it. Whoa! Tumbled it again, gotta go grab it. All right, guys, let's keep on going. How about a little bit of a launch? Ready, get set, go! Whoa! Ooh! Whoa, nice! Nice. I think we broke a body clip or something. Let me go check it out. I think we might have lost a body clip, or a body clip float. Yeah, we lost one body clip right here, guys. Another one came through. No worries though, guys. Let's keep on going. Jump it up here. Oh, that did not work how I was hoping. How about we jump it off of this, guys? Let me go hop down here and let's just go ahead and launch off of here. Here we go. Landed it. Oh! I might have to go to the car and see if I have some more body clips. Let's jump it back up this quick. Here we go. Jump it back up, guys. Whoa! How about back down one more time? Oh, that was a bit of a nasty tumble. All right, guys, I gotta stop the video real quick. Go back to the vehicle, see if I have some more body clips, because we keep on losing them on the back, unfortunately. That one keeps on coming through, but I'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty, guys, I replaced the body clip, so let's keep on going. This thing's a wheelie monster, even on gravel. Whoa. Can't see it. Oh, there it is. Still upright. Some of these rocks over here are pretty big, guys. Whoa! Like I said, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please give this a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Really helps out my channel as well as this video. Need a bit more momentum here. Ooh, guys, we might have hit low voltage mode. Yeah, I think we hit low voltage mode, but luckily, guys, I have got another battery with me, so I'm gonna go ahead, swap the battery out, and be right back with you guys. Let's go ahead and keep on going. Whoa! Bring it back up. Tumbled it, gotta grab it. Whoa! Whoa! and see what's over there. Let's see what's over this edge. Just all down from here. Ooh, tumbled it. Bit of a launch. Ready? Get set. Go. Whoa! I'm not even touching the gas anymore. And for some reason, the throttle's getting stuck. Like I said, last time I had this out in the dunes, I got sand inside of the controller because I dropped it in the sand. For some reason now, the controller's been acting up ever since then. So that's a bit of a bummer. So if it seems like I'm driving this thing kind of funny, it's because the thing's trying to accelerate itself. Like as soon as I let off the throttle, it keeps on going, unfortunately. Still making it though. Whoa! Oh, oh, we're upright. Let's bring it back up. Here we go. This thing's take a beating, guys. Let's go ahead, let's jump it off of this. That's what I want to do. Here we go. Oh! Not the most graceful. Throwing rocks all over the place. Let's try that again. Oh! Stuck. Keep on going. I gotta go get it. All right, guys, let's keep on bashing. Up the hill. Whoa. Let's bring it back down. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, she's dead again. Did it overheat? Alrighty, guys, quick update, or I guess I should say damage report. I was wondering why I kept on losing the clip out of this side. I'm like, why do I keep on losing it? I didn't realize that this body post right there, that's broken. So that's why I keep on losing the clip on that side. That's why the body isn't staying down. So that's not gonna stop us from keeping on going. I did have to switch the battery out. I switched in a 3,000 milliamp 3-cell pack, but let's keep on going. Whoa! I thought I could get it back upright. Not quite. Jump up this. Ooh! I think the clip fell through on the other one. Whoa! The body. Oh no. Look at the poor body, guys. The poor body, the clip. I lost the other clip. Even with the Gorilla Tape on this body, guys, this body's taking some punishment. It's starting to show its wear, that's for sure. Oh, I'm surprised this thing is in one piece. I'm kind of at this point, I've gotten so used to RCs like the X-Max. They have the clipless bodies that I wish every RC came up with some sort of clipless body. Sorry, I got trucks going by. I wish that every RC company would come up with clipless bodies. Now, Traxxas has done it with the X-Max and with the Max. I wish they'd integrate it somehow onto their 110 scale like the Slash and stuff. But we will see. Arrma definitely should do something as well. Because Arrma's clips are notorious for being very difficult to get back out. I can't even pull them out by hand. I have to use my key to actually pull them out, because when that post actually gets damaged, the top of it, from it like grazing the ground and stuff, gets all mutilated. The pin's so difficult to pull out of there, so it's just annoying. But anyway, let's keep on going. Bring it back. Still upright. Ooh, we might have tipped. Yep, we're tipped over. Gotta grab it. Kept it upright. Nice. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, and also make sure to hit that notification bell, and so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because I take my RCs wherever I go whenever I'm on the road. I travel for my job, and whenever I'm done traveling I'm on my way back, I stop places with my RC cars. I almost always have at least one of my RC cars with me, so that's why you're going to want to stay tuned, because I stop at all different types of places all over the place. So let's keep on going until this battery dies. Oh! 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 Nope. Nice. Jump it back down. Nice. I think she's about done, guys. She might have hit low voltage mode or overheated again. Nice. Build up a little momentum. Nope, she's done, guys. Well, that's all the batteries I have. So unfortunately, this bashing session is over. But if you guys did enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Later.